Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately.
Friends, we will solve an error has occurred with a print job error on all model devices of Kyocera together with you. I suggest you watch this video carefully. I will share with you a problem that we will encounter in all our brand and model devices and its solution. The small patch program that will solve this problem can be downloaded from the link in the comments section below. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done.
Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods. I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends. As you can see, the repair and maintenance of our printer was successful.
Yes friends, the good news is, as you can see, the process we applied was successful and our device turned on.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.